male by 28 days. So every 28 days, just like women, it's the same thing as above, so below. That is a natural woman's medicine. So if any woman wants to hold medicine close to them like that, animal medicine, get a pet turtle. It just directly connects you to the cosmos. If we were just talking about sky woman mythology, Turtle Island, this all has to do with Mother Earth. And so it's a direct connection to Mother Earth. So that's some native knowledge. The Mayans had that calculation. The Aztecs, the Peruvians, up and down the coast, everybody had this ancient knowledge. This is astrological knowledge as well. So as long as
Right. You gotta be celebrated. I could feel it in somebody to a certain extent because I was just like,
He thinks you want to play.
that, you are so funny.
Oh, I'm gonna put it in his body.
You won. He gonna get it again though.
There's a beanie Nyara, rolling out. Okay, beloved. Take care. So good to see you, Queen. Love and blessings.
Thanks for